Hi guys, so we just arrived at Ethel M's chocolate factory. I read a little bit about it. They have like a free tour, so we'll see what that's about. They're supposed to have some really good chocolate, so let's go see what that's about. As you walk in the door, the aroma of cocoa just engulfs your senses. On the back wall, there's an area where you can watch the different stages of the manufacturing process. Here you see an array of large mixing barrels. Large tanks melt the chocolate for it to be piped into the form trays. Here, you can see the form trays move into a cooling tunnel. All automated, of course. A long conveyor belt carries hundreds of trays every hour. The trays then exit the cooling tunnel and are emptied where workers inspect the candy, and then they package it, where it then goes out to customers. Ethel M produces about 8 million pieces of chocolate each year. Ethel M also has chocolate tasting, so don't forget to ask a representative while you're here about that. Again, don't forget to check out their free cactus garden out back. So we're back. So the tour is kind of like a self-guided tour. You get to look into the windows and see what they're making. The first area they really weren't doing a whole lot, but the second area they were packaging chocolate. Inside the area you have a lot of stuff that you can purchase. They have, it's kind of like going into a chocolate shop in Paris, but the people aren't as snooty. Everybody was super nice. Prices are a little bit expensive, but the chocolates look really good. Yes, we did purchase some. We got some liqueurs, and then we got some dark chocolate covered espresso beans. That'll wake us up. And we've done all this, and it's not even 11 o'clock in the morning. So for people that are on East Coast time, stick with that East Coast time. You can get a lot done by waking up early and doing stuff before all the crowds get there. Now, as I said before, it's about 10:53 right now in the morning, and the crowds are starting to show up at the Ethel M chocolate factory, so I recommend also getting there earlier. Behind the chocolate shop, they have a cactus garden, and it is gorgeous. It's Christmas time almost here, so they've got all the lights strung everywhere, but otherwise it's just a cactus garden. It's free to enter. They have all different types of cacti. Saw my first Joshua tree. Took my picture beside it. I'll show you in the video. So I've never seen a Joshua tree, so it's kind of interesting. A lot of that cacti was beautiful. So now we're going to be going back to the hotel. We're going to rest a little bit, maybe get lunch soon, because we've been up for a while now. And we'll catch you later. Hey guys, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to click on that notification bell.